Today I'm going to be unboxing this Hot Wheels car. I just wanted to film it just because I wanted to show you it. It's Hot Wheels. I already started tearing it. Let's continue. Here's that awesome car. Here it is. It's Hot Wheels. You saw. Okay, so let's take a look at this car. So here it is. Oh, it's a cool one. Let me know in the comments what kind of car it is. I don't know. It's nice looking. Let's take a look at the inside of it. Here's the inside. The steering wheel on your right. The seats. It could sit, I think, 4 people. It's a nice car. And that's the garbage truck outside, probably. So yeah, it's a nice car. Let's see if it drives. Yep, it's cool. Yeah, this was just a quick video to show it to you. Here's the other side. Here's the bottom of it. Here's the front, the back, the side, the other side, the top. And that's my cat right there. Okay. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick video, because I don't always upload videos on Mondays. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.